In this video I'm going to show you how to create WhatsApp business account on iPhone. So if this video did helpful, please thumbs up and subscribe my channel. So let's show you from beginning. First of all, download WhatsApp business apps from App Store. So open App Store on your iPhone, then searching for WhatsApp business just like that. Then it will open these apps. As you can see, WhatsApp business by WhatsApp Inc. I already downloaded it, so it's showing open. So open here, and here is home page, and in this bottom side agree and continue of the WhatsApp terms and service. So tap on agree and continue and use that number for WhatsApp business. That's mean here showing my personal WhatsApp account here. So I'm going to use different accounts, so use different number, enter your phone number. As you can see here, selected Bangladesh on country sections. If you are not selected by default, select your country, then enter your phone number, then tap on next, and it takes you second, and number confirmations, tap on continue, and WhatsApp will send a pin code, so you need to wait, and it's added here. So restore from iCloud. So we are not going to restore any backup, so skip restore, and it's loading. So here's by default I need to change the photo, like any of photo like this one, then tap to source and enter name and enter business category, so internet marketing service, then tap on next. So as you can see, WhatsApp business account created. So that way you can create WhatsApp business account easily. So pretty much that's it. If you have any questions, please let me know in comments. If this video did helpful, please thumbs up and share my video. See you on the next.